In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live on Circle. So, community, a helpful platform for fostering communication and engagement within your online network. Whether you're hosting a webinar, a community meetup, or just want to hang out with your audience, going live can be a fantastic tool for interaction and growth. So, let's get started on navigating this process together. First, you'll need to log into your Circle.so account. Make sure you have your username and password ready to access your account smoothly. Once you're logged in, the next step involves navigating to the specific space where you wish to host your live stream. On the left sidebar, you'll find a menu option called Spaces. Click this to view all the spaces available to you and identify the one you're targeting for your live stream. Hover your cursor over your chosen space. You'll see an Enter Space button appear. Go ahead and click on that. This action will take you into the selected space, setting you up for the next crucial steps. Once inside the space, find the option to create an event or live stream. This typically appears at the top right of the interface as a button labeled Create Event. Click on it, and you'll be presented with the opportunity to configure your live stream settings. Under Event Type, be sure to select Live Stream. This specifies to Circle, so that your event will involve real-time video. Now you need to provide some basic details about your event. Add an event title that captures the essence of your live stream, set the date and time to suit your schedule, and the availability of your audience. Precision here ensures that your live stream is perfectly timed for maximum attendance. With your event details set up, it's time to invite members. You should see an option to invite members. Click on this to start adding those you want to attend. You'll find a shareable invite link that you can copy and distribute to those who you want to join. When it's time to go live, return to the event page in your space and get ready to start the show. Click Go Live, and when prompted, ensure you allow access to your camera and microphone, as this will enable your audience to see and hear you during the stream. During the live stream, attendees can join using the event link or access the space directly. Once your live stream is underway and you've shared your ideas, interacted with your community, or held your discussions, you'll eventually need to wrap things up. To end the live stream, click End Event, found at the top right. You'll then be prompted to confirm your decision, do so, and your live stream will conclude. And there you have it, the step-by-step guide to going live on Circle.so community. Remember that practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to test these steps out to build confidence in using this powerful tool to engage your community more effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.